Hello everyone. Today we are continue with addition and number block. Let's start. 8,
I will do plus
10,
I will do equal
18, 6,
I will do plus
17,
I will do equal
23, 8,
I will do plus
10,
I will do equal
18, 17,
I will do plus
10,
I will do equal
27, 17,
I will do plus
11,
I will do equal
28, 5,
I will do plus
19,
I will do equal
24, 13,
I will do plus
13,
I will do equal
26. Nhìn mặt in so good. Let's see how in your name math. 9,
I will do plus
12,
I will do equal
21, 12,
I will do plus
6,
I will do equal
18, 13,
I will do plus
3,
I will do equal
16, 14,
I will do plus
18,
I will do equal
22. Sorry, là 32. 20,
I will do plus
4,
I will do equal
24, 3,
I will do plus
16,
I will do equal
19, 18,
I will do plus
6,
I will do equal
24, 15,
I will do plus
14,
I will do equal
29, 7,
I will do plus
19,
I will do equal
26, 4,
I will do plus
14,
I will do equal
18, 3,
I will do plus
18,
I will do equal
21, 18,
I will do plus
8,
I will do equal
26, 11,
I will do plus
1,
I will do equal
12, 10,
I will do plus
15,
I will do equal.
25, 18,
I will do plus.
13,
I will do equal.
31. Viết số cùn là sẽ hỏi nhân nách mắt. 13,
I will do plus.
1,
I will do equal.
14, 19,
I will do plus.
3,
I will do equal.
22, 15,
I will do plus.
3,
I will do equal.
18, 5,
I will do plus.
5,
I will do equal.
10. Viết mắt số ý gì? Nhân nách mắt. 8,
I will do plus.
17,
I will do equal.
25, 13,
I will do plus.
15,
I will do equal.
28, 2,
I will do plus.
14,
I will do equal.
16, 15,
I will do plus.
15,
I will do equal.
30, 2,
I will do plus.
3,
I will do equal.
5. Viết được số ý gì? Nhân nách mắt. 11,
I will do plus.
12,
I will do equal.
23, 13,
I will do plus.
17,
I will do equal.
30. The lesson in the end. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.